Kitchen trends have evolved in 2022 and are more exciting than ever. The last 2 years, we've seen kitchens easily becoming the most hardworking room in the home. I want to talk about 5 kitchen trends to look out for this year. Number 1 is flexible lighting. As the kitchen continues to transform into a multifunctional space, lighting plays a key role. Lighting controls and the ability to adjust your light to the task at hand is an important trend. Multiple sources of light are another significant feature for a space used for varied tasks. Hardwired or plugged in, these fixtures can be installed how and where they needed, adding both illumination and style. The second one is walk-in pantries. Not content with simply finding a place for everything, homeowners look to add a functionality to the kitchen storage in 2022. Working pantries, which includes areas like coffee centers or place to store and use small appliances. 3 is sink workstations. Workstation sinks feature a built-in ledge for accessories like coolanters, dish racks, cutting boards, and ice holders, and often multiple faucets for added productivity. These sinks are popular because they allow for simultaneous tasks like food prep and washing dishes. They also offer a variety of configurations, allowing the homeowner to select various basin sizes and depths, as well as faucet location and mounting style. Number 4 is smart appliances. Tech-savvy appliances are moving into more and more kitchens for multiple reasons. First, many companies are simply updating and adding new features to the line of the appliances to better align with today's connected homes. Additionally, homeowners are willing to splurge even if appliances are more expensive right now. The 5th and last one is rounded edges. Roundness in some form or the other has been coming to a home near you for quite a while. A trend that has so far dominated future design, decorating, and accessories. Now the heart of the home is getting involved, with the kitchen's classical hard surfaces taking a softer, curvier turn as the space design incorporates its new role as a place of calm and a place to socialize. The contrast between a rounded kitchen surface and the traditional hard right angle is dramatic. It totally transformed your kitchen. These were 5 kitchen trends to look out for in 2022. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.